The U.S. Supreme Court overruled an order by President Donald Trump. The High Court reaffirmed a practice in place for decades. Anyone born on U.S. soil is automatically a U.S. citizen. The president challenged birthright citizenship, but the court rejected that challenge.
10 News reporter Lauren Davis joins us to explain the relief we are hearing from supporters of immigrant families. Lauren.
John, Robin, the Supreme Court's decision marks a major defeat for the Trump administration's effort to restrict birthright citizenship. For immigration attorneys and advocates in Tennessee, it's a ruling they say many families had been anxiously waiting for. In a 6-3 decision, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled President Trump's executive order limiting birthright citizenship violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment. The order, signed 18 months ago on the president's first day back in office, would have denied automatic citizenship to some children born in the United States based on their parents' immigration status. Immigration attorney Michelle Morales-Cruz says that possibility created months of fear for many of her clients.
I think people were worried. I think they were concerned because they saw other things happening. And it was very disheartening to see people so scared that something that honestly, that children would be affected.
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote the majority opinion. That included both conservatives and liberals. 3 conservative justices dissented. That immigration attorney says she was hopeful, but still surprised by the court's decision.
And I think they made the correct decision to uphold the Constitution. It is plain language. It is written in the Constitution. However, I will say lately I was having doubts.
The Tennessee Immigrant Refugee Rights Coalition says the ruling brought relief to many of the immigrant and refugee families they serve.
Definitely a concern, but a big sigh of relief on today's SCOTUS decision with them upholding the 14th Amendment.
Even with the ruling, both the advocacy group and the attorney say immigration concerns remain in Tennessee as several new state immigration laws take effect July 1st.
I think today was a big win. However, I don't think it's over. There's a lot that we're still focusing on for clients, especially locally.
President Trump responded to the ruling on Truth Social, calling on Congress to pass legislation ending birthright citizenship. He said lawmakers have his, quote, complete and total support, end quote. John, Robin.
Lauren Davis on the update. The Supreme Court also upheld state laws banning transgender athletes from taking part in women's sports. The court ruled the new laws don't violate the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. The court decision was 6-3.